What's the meaning of carnivorous? Carnivorous. Carnivorous.
Carnivorous. Carnivorous. Carnivorous refers to an organism that primarily feeds on the flesh of other animals. They have adapted specialized teeth and digestive systems to efficiently consume meat. This characteristic is common among predators such as lions, wolves, and sharks. Carnivorous plants such as Venus flytraps and pitcher plants have also evolved to capture and digest insects. While some human diets incorporate meat, it is not necessary for survival and can have negative impacts on health and the environment. Overall, being carnivorous is a biological adaptation that has evolved to suit the dietary needs of certain organisms.